Here you guys go. What's going on, guys? Excuse me if I look like crap. I feel like crap. Welcome to the aftermath video. It's officially 4 days since this happened. And I still woke up this morning spitting up blood, and when I'd blow my nose there would be blood as well. How do I look? Yesterday I've been doing literally nothing. It sucks because, as you guys know, most of our videos involve stunts and physical activity, and I can't do anything right now because of this, and because I think I'm slightly concussed. I literally could not do anything the last 2 days. I was like tired, I was kind of feeling dizzy. I like fell asleep in the middle of the day for like 4 hours yesterday, which was weird. I don't ever do that. I was kind of mixing up my words, which scared me because I don't ever do that either. Yeah, as you guys can see, 9 stitches. Great. I have footage of the very next morning after me looking at it for the first time. Let's roll that! Enjoy! I just woke up and I'm gonna look in the mirror now. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Beautiful, right? Am I beautiful, guys? I'm beautiful. I think I'm going to look pretty cool, though, with this scar, right? I'm going to have a dope scar under my eye. Sorry if I'm a little out of it. If I seem a little out of it, I'm pretty dazed still. So while I was editing, I turned my eyes in the video and I noticed some red. And then when I turned on my phone and I looked to the left, not only does it hurt, but there's blood all over my eye. Great. Great. I think I just broke a blood vessel in my eye or something. No big deal. It's all good. It hurts to smile. I can't smile too much. Can't laugh too much. Can't even talk too much because that hurts too. I really did it this time, guys. Let's get back to the video. I've never hit myself in the face or hit my head so hard in my entire life. My whole jaw, from my front right tooth all the way back to here, hurt so bad I can't eat anything that's hard at all. I bit a chip, not thinking about it, yesterday. And it hurts so bad. I can only chew with the left side of my mouth, which sucks. These stitches itch, and I can't itch them, obviously. Yeah, my teeth are killing me. My gums are swollen. This whole side of my face hurts. My eye is like halfway closed every single morning. It sucked. And I can't do anything until I get these stitches out. Even then, I gotta take it easy, which is, I film every single day, and when I really can't film, it makes me crazy. Not really, but I live to be productive. I work very, very hard every single day, and when I kind of am forced to just sit around and relax because my brain's not working properly because I got hit so hard, it sucks. But I was listening to a lot of Alan Watts lectures. If you guys don't know who Alan Watts is, check him out. I will put some of his lectures in the description. It will change your life, I guarantee you. One of my life goals is to read every single one of Alan Watts' books throughout my life. And because I can't do anything fun, I'm going to give you guys some footage of us sending it the other day that never made it to YouTube yet. I actually do my first Sukahara from this height. I do a pretty dope double backflip. Jacob Winokur does a double gainer. It's a pretty sick send-it session, very productive. I actually ended up kind of messing my foot up though. Check out the footage.
Oh no!
Oh, he's gonna do like a super horror movie. Dope.
Silky beat.
See, that's fun. It's always good to jump off stuff. I really just need to get better so that I can do fun stuff again. I don't like not having fun. I like to have as much fun as possible all the time. When I'm like house locked, this is what I do. I play with broken fidget spinners. Satisfying. So yeah, does anybody know what's wrong with me? I think I just like somewhere in the back of my nose is still bleeding and like drips blood into my throat, and like I blow my nose, there's a bunch of blood, so you guys can see from the pictures. I'm pretty messed up. You know, we always know that there's risk. We always know we're gonna get hurt. I just never thought that I'd get f***ed up by a beach ball. That's amazing. That is just absolutely ridiculous. But I'm still here. Beach ball can't keep me down. Oh, everybody was wondering where to get a world's biggest beach ball. That19.com, those guys are awesome. They always hook it up. They always send me some pretty cool toys, so definitely check them out. And, yeah. Hopefully content will return. I have an awesome video for you guys tomorrow, footage that never made it to this YouTube channel that definitely deserves to. Maybe I'll do some squad episodes while I'm doing nothing. Oh, I'm getting Snapchats. Follow me on Snapchat. While we're talking about footage that I haven't uploaded to YouTube yet, let's dive into some surfing at Sebastian Inlet with Ben Gravy of Nub TV. This is a session that I always planned on throwing in a vlog, but never made it. This seems like the perfect time. In case you guys didn't know, we're all surfers around here, and skaters and skimmers and just crazy stuntman adrenaline junkies. So let's jump into that footage before we close this video, and I hope you enjoy me doing one of my favorite things on the planet, surfing.
This is a JoogSquad production.
Tight.
So yeah, what are you gonna do when stuff like this happens? I'm not gonna sit around and pout. No, I'm gonna keep filming stuff. I'm in bad shape, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this aftermath video, give it a big thumbs up. I would say sorry it's not as exciting as most videos, but that send-it session was pretty dope, and the serve session's pretty sick. So if you guys enjoyed that footage, the effort that went into this video, give it a big thumbs up. I love you all so much, and I will see you tomorrow, definitely tomorrow, for a new video. Peace.